Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, grab your phone, your keys, and throw on your running shoes because we have some run deals to talk about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that we have a ton of amazing deals going on at Dollar General. We have run glitches, we have overages still going on, we have cereal, we have pop deals, you name it, it's going on at DG. I have already uploaded several videos, so make sure that you go and check them all out. If you haven't, everything's going to be listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over some deals that are going on at Dollar General and also over at Walgreens, but basically the same kind of rules apply. Digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General or Walgreens app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And also, don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the video all the way through. It helps me, and it helps you, and it helps me help you. So watch the video all the way through. That way you guys can get in on all of these amazing deals. Alright, so up first, let's go ahead and take a look at Dollar General. This evening, we just received a DG cashback offer for $4 back on the Bounty paper towels, 6 count or larger. Now, this cashback offer is working on the Bounty Essentials 6 count. They're priced at $5.60. So, after that cashback offer, that's going to make your final price just $1.60. Now, keep in mind there is a limit of 1 on this offer, so you can only do it 1 time per account. However, y'all go ahead and check your Ibotta accounts, and if you have your Dollar General account linked up to your Ibotta account, you should also have a $4 rebate on the Bounty paper towels for Dollar General as well. So that means that you could potentially do the deal twice on one account. One offer you would be getting in cash back, the other offer would be for Ibotta. Now, we also have some digital coupons that we can throw in the mix because everybody should have received at least a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Bounty paper towels. So that would leave you paying $4.60. If the DG cashback offer stacks, that is going to make your final price just 60 cents. Now, we all know that the DG cashback offers and the coupons are not supposed to stack and work together. For me, they always work, but I know that there are some of you out there that say that it never works for you. So you just do what you feel is right for you and what is going to work on your account. Now, some of us receive some exclusive coupons. So make sure that you check all of your accounts because on some of mine, I have this 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Bounty paper towels. This coupon is working on the 6 count Bounty Essentials, so after the coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $3.60. With that $4 DG cashback offer, if it stacks, that is going to make your final price completely free, plus a 40-cent moneymaker. Now, some accounts received a 3-off-1 Bounty paper towel digital coupon. So if you have this one on your account, that is going to leave you paying $2.60 with that DG cashback offer. If everything stacks and works together, that is going to make your final price completely free plus a $1.40 moneymaker. Now, I also want you guys to be aware that you can pick up the larger packages. So here we have the Bounty Essentials double rolls, 6 count. These are priced at $9.50. If you have that 3-off-1 or the 2-off-1 or the 1-off-1, go ahead and use what you have. But if you have the 3-off-1, you're going to pay $6.50 with that $4 DG cashback offer. If that stacks, that's going to make your final price $2.50. Now, again, we have tons of amazing deals and glitches going on right now at Dollar General. We have super cheap Dr. Pepper. We've got a glitch going on with that deal. We also still have the cereal glitch going on, and we have tons of run glitches with huge overages that I posted on Sunday. So again, if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go back and check those out before you head out to Dollar General tonight. That way, you can just make one trip, and if you find any of those overage items, you can make your out-of-pocket even lower. And I also want to go ahead and give all of my DG couponers a quick heads up. First thing tomorrow morning, I already have a video scheduled, 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That video will go live. We're going to go over the full glitch list. I have some amazing deals, super low out-of-pocket deals. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned for that one. Turn on those notifications and make sure that they are set to all. That way you don't miss out on any more deals. All right, now let's go ahead and switch gears and talk about what is going on over at the Walgreens. And basically, it's kind of the same thing. So we have the Bounty Paper Towels, Bounty Essential 6 count. They are on sale this week for $5.49. Now, different accounts will have different values of coupons. I have a 2-off one on my account. There are 1-off ones out there. There may be 3-off ones out there, so just double check and always clip your highest value coupon first. So if you have the 2-off one, that's going to leave you paying $3.49. Make sure that you clip your Ibotta offer before you head into the store. We have that 4-off one on Ibotta. After everything is all said and done, that's going to make your final price completely free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. Now also, if you guys plan on doing this as a pickup order at Walgreens, number one, do not forget to go into the store at the photo counter. That way you have a receipt to scan into Ibotta. If you just pull up and push the button in your app that says, I'm here, please bring out my order, you may not get your receipt. So always go into Walgreens, into the store at the photo counter. That way you do get a receipt. If you want to do this as a pickup order, don't forget to try out some of those codes. I have this one on the screen here, but it is Senior 20. It says that it only applies to regular priced merchandise. So this one may or may not work, but we usually have WAG 10. That will take 10% off. So you guys can try that one. If you have any other codes, please drop them down in the comment section below. Now, also, don't forget that Bounty is a P&G brand. So once you are done shopping at the store and you have your receipts in hand, head on over to the pngoodeveryday.com website. Sign up for the rewards program if you haven't already. Scan in your receipt. You're going to earn 50 points for every P&G product that you purchased. And then, just like Fetch Rewards, you can turn those points into gift cards. So let's not leave any money laying on the table. Let's save as much as we can. And don't forget to scan in those receipts. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. Good luck. I hope you all can score on this deal. If you do, please come back and let me know about it. And of course, make sure that y'all stick around and stay tuned. Again, first thing tomorrow morning, we're going to have a brand new video up 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So set your alarms, turn on your notifications, do all the things. And of course, before you go, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.